Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll be cleaning the Jeep. Or, I'll be cleaning it with just Dawn soap and water. We cleaned the Mustang with it the other day. They turned out good. But, you see, it's spring and there's pollen everywhere. So it was all dirty. So what I'm gonna do first, set this crap down and get spraying. This ain't the hose, the nozzle I used the other day, but it will work. We just need to rinse it off. We won't clean the wheels today, but you know, link in description for that video. Alright, let me try to put the camera down somewhere and start scrubbing. How's this? No. Okay. I couldn't just ignore the Mustang. This bird poop. Darn. Like I was saying, I couldn't just ignore the Mustang. So I went off and rinsed it off. I know you guys can't tell, but this is two-tone paint. Green, blue. My favorite green. My favorite green-blue color. So let's get to this Jeep. Look at this tailgate. Ignore all that stuff. That's from the hose. Look at it. You can see my reflection. Now let's go where the sun was. Look at it. Shows how bad this paint job is. Well, it's not from not GM, but Chrysler. Let's say Chrysler. It's not from them. It's from the aging and weather. But hi guys, right this. You know, guys, how it is when you have a phone that has 13 gigabytes as storage from factory. You only have a 8 gigabyte SD card. You run out of storage. Thankfully, yeah. We're gonna make this quick, but look how beautiful this paint, or beautiful cleaned up. Even this hood. Okay, real quick, let's go buff these headlights. Guys, we really need to clean these vehicles. Look how dirty it is. I ain't gonna touch it in just in case it might scratch the paint, but this one needs a new paint job. But look at that. We need to get this out so we can paint it. I'll try to find a link for this kind of wax, but it's probably older than I am. But I'll try to find some wax similar to this links if this turns out good. Well, let's just do this. These headlights, and I don't know, it doesn't deserve anywhere else. Maybe I'll do the truck. Actually, never mind. I'll just do these. Ugh. Oops. Let's get this bumper. It's nasty. Well, that's just it, and I'll get back to you. Dang, he needs more wax. So guys, that'll do for today's video. Sorry it wasn't the best. Well, it was kind of good, but couldn't get those headlights cleaned up. I did something that I'll keep out the video because it didn't work, but I keep the wax parting in. Yeah, look how good it is. I don't know, you guys have to remember it before. Well, that wax is, you know, drying. Let me go show you the the progression of the Jeep. You can see no tailgate. You can see it was on the garage door, but there's a dash there. That's kind of odd. I took it out all by myself. All the bolts and stuff are in the door panels. Yeah, there's a little bit of pain, a little bit of anger. Yeah, but it's going to the scrapyard anyways. Oh no, guys, if you've got these, find us at a scrapyard anywhere, wherever we take it. Let me know in the comment section in the future, because that'd be pretty cool. And send a picture to me. Well, it probably won't be a while until we bring it there, but I think it's ready to remove the wax. Probably did nothing to it, but just want to say I tried to do something with the headlights. Yep, it's dry. You can't really tell if it's dry or not. Yeah, these headlights are so absolute garbage. Yeah, guys, in the future, guess what? Oh boy, absolutely garbage of headlights. Yeah, no links in the description, because surely this didn't clean them up. But I got some sandpaper, maybe that will. Oh no, no links to the description for those wax. Well, maybe I will, because I did the Mustang decent. But they're crap headlights, so I just really want to see sandpaper. What grit is it? C4? I don't know. I just want to see if it will work, guys. Then I'll end this video because it's long. It's probably so much time. But yeah. No. Didn't work. Nuh-uh. I'm not gonna even include that into the video.